Ever wonder why some videos get stuck at 10 views while others explode to 50,000? It's not just your title. Your thumbnail might be killing your channel. The truth about thumbnails. Here's the brutal truth. 90% of new creators make thumbnails that nobody wants to click. Too much text, ugly colors, blurry images. Or they try to cram their whole title into one tiny image. Your thumbnail's only job is to stop the scroll. That's it. 3 biggest mistakes. Mistake number 1. Text is too small to read on a phone. If your text is tiny, people scroll right past. Mistake number 2. Clutter. Too many elements confuse viewers. Simple always wins. Mistake number 3. No emotional hook. People click faces, big reactions, bold words, or shocking symbols. How the algorithm reacts. When your thumbnail is boring, people don't click. Your click-through rate drops. YouTube sees that and stops showing your video. But if people click fast, the algorithm pushes you to thousands more. Do this instead. Here's how to fix it. Even for a faceless channel, 1 big, bold text, 3 to 5 words max, 2 high contrast colors, 3 1 clear image or icon that matches the title. For faces or emojis help a lot, even AI avatars. 5 add a red arrow or circle to direct the eye. Free tools to make better thumbnails. You don't need Photoshop. Use free tools like Canva. Search free YouTube thumbnail templates. Tweak the text, drop an emoji, and test different styles. Tools like TubeBuddy, a B test, can show what works best. Try this on your next video. If you see your CTR go up, even by 1%, you're winning. Comment below, what's your current CTR? Dropping more simple YouTube growth hacks every week? Don't miss them. Subscribe for daily automation and growth tips, and boost your next upload now.